everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Tonight I'm just gonna make some chicken and broccoli, and right here I have my chicken breast that I already washed and cubed. I'm just gonna put some seasoning on it. Have some seasoning salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and a little soy sauce. Guys, so for my chicken and broccoli, I let it marinate actually for overnight, and let's see if you guys can see, I added a little bit of browning in it to give it some color, and I have here a little bit of olive oil in my pot. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting the chicken in. And I put my marinade and everything in there. So my stove is on medium, and I'm just gonna cover this up. I got this Copper Chef pot for Christmas. So if you notice a lot of my videos, I'm using this. I really love this. It cooks the food really well. And the fact that I could do everything in the one pot is awesome, because I could even brown my food in here and leave it in here, put it in the oven. I could bake in it. I can do a lot of things in it, and it's really deep. So this pot is awesome. Just wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this stay and cook for maybe about 20 minutes. I'll check it in between, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my broccoli together. Okay, guys. All right, guys, so let's check on the chicken. It's coming along really well. Alright guys, so my chicken is pretty much done. What I'm going to do is, I have some peppers and onion that I'm going to add to it. Now, I'm going to put my broccoli in here. I don't want my broccoli to cook soft. So, I'm only going to leave it for a little bit. Let's mix this in. Okay, so let's add my broccoli. So I'm just going to cover it, let it steam for a little bit, maybe like 5 minutes. Okay guys, so here's my chicken and broccoli. I just let it stay for about 5 minutes. Just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on that post notification so you can get future videos. If you guys try this recipe also, please leave a comment. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you guys next time.